Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 12th May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Who held a meeting via video conferencing with the members of SIM Institute on the impact of COVID-19 on the auto sector? So it is done by Nitin Gadkari, who is the Minister of Road Transport and Highways and MSMEs. And he has also said that the Indian government is going to spend rupees 15 lakh crore on constructing road for next 2 years. Question number 2. Which of the following has disbursed rupees 12,767 crores to state cooperative banks, that is STCBs, and regional rural banks, that is RRBs, across the country? So it is done by NABARD. Some GK related to NABARD. NABARD capital headquarter present in Mumbai, and Harsh Kumar Vanwala is its chairman. So there are total number of 33 STBCs in India, and total number of RRBs are 45. Question number 3. Scientists from which institute have bifurcated an economical and energy efficient water scale photo detector for security application? So it is done by Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. So it could help detect weak scattered light as an indication of unwanted activity. Question number 4. A team of astronomers has discovered that the closest known brown dwarf, what is the name of the brown dwarf, shows sign of cloud bands similar to those seen on Jupiter and Saturn. So the brown dwarf name is Lumen 16A. So what is a brown dwarf? Brown dwarfs are objects heavier than planets but lighter than the stars. Question number 5. When is the time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War observed by United Nations? So it is observed on May 8 and May 9. So it is known as the time for remembrance and recollection for those who lost their life in the Second World War from both the sides. So some GK related to United Nations. United Nations headquarters present in New York. Antonio Guterres is its Secretary General, and 24 October is UN Day. Just remember this, it is important. 24 October. Question number 6. As per the data revealed in the Digital in India report by the Internet and Mobile Association of India, as of November 2019, there were how many percentage more internet users in rural areas than urban areas? So there are 10% more in rural areas. So in rural areas there are 227 millions persons have the internet, and in the urban area there is 205 million. Question number 7. The COVID-19 crisis has led to a spike in the country's unemployment rate to how much percentage for the week ended in May 3, 2020, up from under 7% level before the start of the pandemic in March. So as you know, in the worldwide the crisis is going on and the unemployment rate is far high. So it comes to 27.11 from the under 7%, and it is going to hike as in future also. Question number 8. Which country has approved a new type of coronavirus test that can rapidly detect fragments of virus protection in sample collected from swabs swiped inside the nasal cavity. So it is done by USA. USA capital is Washington DC. Donald Trump is its president and dollar is its currency. Question number 9. According to a report, India saved 89,102 crore through energy efficiency in 2018-19 and reduced energy intensity by how much percentage in the fiscal compared to the 2005 level. So it is reduced by 20%, and India has set a target to reduce the energy intensity from 33 to 35% by 2030 compared to 2005. Question number 10. Pandanda Kuttappa passed away in May 2020. In which sport did he bring the idea of Kovada Family Festival? So in hockey, it is famous as Kovada Family Hockey Festival. So it was started in 1997. On average, 250 families send their teams for the tournament, which is usually played in the month of April and March every year. Question number 11. The year of 2020 marks the which birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap? So it is 480 birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap. So Maharana Pratap was born on 9th May 1540. So he was the 13th Rajput ruler of the kingdom of Mewar. Question number 12. Which state has banned manufacture, sale and storage of 11 brands of pan masala for a year, saying these products contain a chemical which is harmful to the heart? So it is done by Jharkhand. Some GK related to Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Hemant Soren is its CM and governor is Draupadi Murmu. So and by this Jharkhand will be the third state in the whole India to ban pan masala gutka. So other two are Bihar and Maharashtra. Both have banned pan masala and gutka. Question number 13. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR, has received approval for the clinical trial of which of the following drugs to treat COVID-19? So it is option number D, both A and B. So some related to CSIR. CSIR headquarters present in New Delhi and Shekhar C. Mandey is its Director General. Question number 14. The WHO and the United Nations Postal Agency have released a commemorative postage stamp on the which anniversary of the eradication of smallpox? So it is on the 40th anniversary. Question number 15. Which state has constituted a high-level committee under the chairmanship of former Governor of Reserve Bank of India, C. Rangarajan, to advise the government on medium-term response post-COVID lockdown period? So it is done by Tamil Nadu government. Some GK to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Its CM is E.K. Palaniswamy and governor is Banwarila Purohit. Question number 16. Scientists from Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology, that is WIHG, Dehradun, have found a seasonal advancement in how many surge type glacier in the Karakoram range of Ladakh? So it is 220 surges. So surge of a glacier are the center type of advancement in the volume and length over a period of time. Question number 17. The government gave awards to how many startups for finding innovative solution to address problem faced by the animal husbandry and dairy sector? So it is total 12 setups. So Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Giriraj Singh announced that the winners of Startup India Animal Husbandry grant the challenge. Question number 18. Who presented the Ministry of Tourism Dekho Apna Desh webinar series titled Goa Crucible of Culture in May 2020? So it is presented by option number A, Vivek Menezes. So this is the current affairs of today. So answer of yesterday's question is house sparrow is the state bird of Bihar. And today's question is where is the Barwati Stadium is located? So write down the answer in the comment box. I wish you know the answer as you, if you are a great fan of cricket. So thanks for your time. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for your time. Stay safe at home, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. Thank you.